Welcome to our guide on how to regain access to your Twitter account through your phone number on PC. Let's walk through the steps together. Start by opening x.com, your account, begin your password, reset in your web browser to initiate the account recovery process. Search for the phone number associated with your Twitter account to proceed with regaining access. If you no longer have access to the phone number, click on Don't have access to these to explore additional options. Select I'd like to deactivate or close my account to access more account recovery choices. From the second drop-down menu, choose I don't have access to the mobile phone number to indicate your specific situation. Fill out the deletion request form, select your personal account, and provide an alternative email address that you can access for communication. In the Describe field, provide detailed information about your situation and explain why you are unable to access your phone number. Finally, click Submit to send the form and initiate the account recovery process. By following these steps, you can take proactive measures to regain access to your Twitter account through an alternative phone number. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide has been informative in showing you how to recover your Twitter account using your PC and phone number. Follow these steps to regain access to your account and continue enjoying your Twitter experience.